Here we are after a hill, kind of slowing down a little bit. Some big nasty chunks falling out of the sky. The whole ground over here is just covered with it. I'm grateful that I wasn't caught outside with this. I mean, big old chunks coming down. Car is covered with it, baby. Loaded. Loaded. What a beautiful sight to see, though. Out here at the loft, spending a week out here. Little workout sessions between resting. And we have hail. It's like our first day of rain here in Cali. Pretty cool. I've never seen hail that size in all the days I've been in California in my 41 years. To give you an example, it melted a little bit, but big old pieces of hail come flying out today. And it's just blanket the ground. You go over here in my cousin's yard. Look at that. Jesus. All over her porch. And I hear somebody talking about my car. Sounds like they're whining over there. Either laughing or whining. It's funny. This is a hell of a day of hell. Not a little way.